all these outfits you see here fit into this. So did I color coordinate my outfit to go with this video and this bag? Maybe. Hi, it's Eunice from Theory of Simple. Thanks for coming back to my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that a few of you have asked about a video I did a couple weeks ago about a wardrobe that I said I can live for a week out of a bag I put under the seat. And this opens up and allows me to have my outfits in here that I'm going to need for the trip. And they wanted to know, could you really put together an outfit with just those few bits of clothing that are in that personal item bag? Well, today I'm going to show you just how I put that together, what process I go through, and what I do to make sure that I can actually get through a week with that bag that fits under my seat. As I've stated before, that personal item bag is the most important bag that you will carry when you travel. Many of us like to travel carry-on only, which means you're going to have a roller bag and then your personal item bag, but sometimes they end up checking that roller bag and sometimes they end up losing that roller bag. So all you have is your personal carry-on item. So I pack that very strategically. I pack it in the sense that the first 4 or 5 days of my itinerary, what's ever in that bag is what I'll be able to live with, because I've had my luggage lost for 4 days a few times, and I've had to live with whatever I've had on the plane and what's in the bag. So I'm going to show you how I pull all of that together and what my thought process is on all of that. Of course, the number one thing you're going to want to look at is your itinerary. What are you going to be doing, especially in the first 4 to 5 days? That way, that's what goes into my personal item bag, like I said, in case they lose my roller bag or my checked luggage. And then I look at the weather. So depending on what I'm doing, if I'm going to be hiking or just out day tripping, that will be how I coordinate and pull together the things from my closet that I'm going to be wearing on the trip. Everything when I pack starts off with the outfit that I have on, because everything I have on here has to coordinate with what's in here. Because if they check this piece of carry-on luggage and all I have is my personal item, I have to make sure I can get through a couple of days or more with what's in here and what I have on. Got to get this outfit off because I'm roasting because it's 90 degrees outside. Okay, that's better. Whew. That was a hot one. All right, so as you saw, I had a puffer jacket on because it's going to be chilly where I'm going, and a scarf and a leather hat as well, or a pleather hat, so that if the weather starts to turn, I have something to be able to keep me warm while I'm on the trip. The number one thing I do when I pack is make sure that I'm dressing in layers like you see here. So as you can see, I have a black tank top as well as a collared shirt and a button-down sweater, my heaviest pair of pants, which are my jeans, and my heaviest shoes, which are my leather hiking / walking shoes, as well as a waist pack that I will be using on the plane, if I can get it off here. And this basically acts as my purse. This is thin enough that I can put this on and swing it around the back, and no one's ever really going to notice that I have this on. But if they do notice it, I leave room in here to be able to push this in here if I have to. And if you want to see what I have in this little leather waist pack, these are things that I use on the plane, plus my ID and everything. Leave me a comment below and I will do a video just on this. Normally I pack in a lot of black and white and neutrals, but sometimes I want to pack with some color like I did on this trip. And I'll choose one color that's like a mainstay color that will be the theme for that whole capsule wardrobe. So I'll add that color a lot, mix it in with my other neutrals, and that gives me some color to add to my staple capsule wardrobe. As you can see here, I picked out this kind of red maroon color as my color of accent. You'll see it here in the dress, and you'll see it's also coordinating with some black leggings, which are something that's comfortable to wear on the trip, and also with a couple of tops that I'm bringing that have that color that I can pull into my wardrobe. One short sleeve, one long sleeve. One of the most important things I do when I'm putting together this capsule wardrobe is I try on every single item together in various combinations. This is going to give me an idea of what's going to work the best. If a piece only has a couple of options, I may not bring it. But if I can wear it like 3 or 4 different ways, it's definitely going to come with me because it's more versatile. I always start with my flight outfit and I start to deconstruct it to make sure I can wear it alone or with other things that are in this personal item bag. This is a crucial step because this allows me to see what actually fits and works well together and what doesn't. And so that way I'll know if something is actually worth taking or not. Each of these pieces of clothing have to be something that can be made into something comfortable, like these outfits, as well as something a little bit dressier if I need them to be, or like this dress, I might even use it as something I walk around my hotel room with. I almost always bring a slip dress because it is so versatile. It can be a dress, it can be a nightgown, it can be a skirt, it can be dressed up or dressed down. And even my pajamas. This is my pajama top that I'm wearing with this shirt and sweater. And of course, I'm always going hiking, so I want something that I can take out on the road if I want to go and take a quick little hike around. Accessories are a great thing to bring along on a trip. Scarves, belts, and jewelry don't take up a lot of room, but they can add a lot of pizzazz and change up an outfit really quickly. I usually bring a variety of scarves with me, so some of them are just to dress things up and some of them are to keep me warm depending on the time of year. But as you can see, you can wrap it around your neck or tuck it into a sweater. It can make something change very quickly. Other accessories to think about are bags or purses that you might be needing on the trip. For example, on this trip, I'm going to be going to a concert, so I wanted to have a stadium bag with me. So I utilized that stadium bag as a packing cube for some other things. I also wanted a waist pack with me so I could use it as a crossbody sling or as a waist pack when I'm out day tripping. So think about those things and how you can utilize them to get them on the flight with you and use them as packing cubes or other things so that they become more useful on your trip. This leather waist bag is wonderful because I can use it as a waist bag or as a crossbody sling. And I like the color because it's not quite brown and it's not quite black. And a stadium bag is also useful. A lot of places will require that for you to be able to get in and bring your wallet and phone and essentials. Another thing I do is I wear my shoes with each outfit because I need those shoes to be worn in multiple different outfits. If they only go with one outfit, I'm probably not going to bring them. Shoes take up a lot of your luggage space, so you want to make sure that what you're bringing is very versatile. I bring shoes that are multifunctional. So these white shoes are water shoes, but as you can see, they look like little white tennis shoes, and I put my shoes in socks. That way they're socks that I can bring and they're not just in a bag that won't be used for anything else. And some folding leather slippers like this can be used in my hotel room or to dress up an outfit. Although this takes some time, it's always good to be able to know that the shoes you're bringing can be worn with a variety of different outfits that you're packing along with you. For example, these white water shoes look great whether I'm wearing them with jeans, a dress, or just a pair of leggings for a casual day. These leather ballet slippers are also great. I can hang out in my room. I can also put them with the dress and with a pair of jeans, and as you can see here with my pajama tops, and still go out and feel like I have something decent on. And then of course my black walking/hiking boots. I will be able to go hiking, put them on with a dress, or have them with a pair of jeans. The other hack I do is I take pictures of myself in each of the outfits. So it lets me know what I've actually pulled together in case I forget on my trip and say, oh yeah, that dress, I wore it with these 2 tops or with this sweater and it looked good. So it'll give me some ideas so I don't forget on my trip how I pull everything together. So, did you get any hacks from this video that would help you have a capsule wardrobe that fits in a personal item bag that gets you through a week? If you did, leave me a comment and let me know. And if you have some special tricks that you use to get you through a week in a bag that fits under your seat, drop a comment and let us know, because I'd like to know, and I think all of us would like to know, all those little secrets to get us through that week. I want to thank you for joining me today, and remember, juice life, drink the joy, keep life simple, keep your personal bag packed for a week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.